I have created two machines on EC2 AWS. Here you are seeing right now, and the first machine is Chef Workstation, as I have selected, and the second machine is Chef Work Node. Both machines in running states. Let me show you in terminal. This is Chef Workstation machines. I have connected with terminal, and the second machine is Node. So both machines is successfully connected with the terminal. Okay, and let me show you where we have to download the Chef client. This is the official website of Chef client, where you have to only copy the link of the Chef client and paste into the terminal. So let me show you how we can proceed. So first we are logging with sudo user. Now we have to update the package of the Linux. It's now downloading. So this is the official website of Chef client, download.chef.io. I have chosen Red Hat on AWS. So click on download, and it will download automatically. You have to cancel it once and copy the package URL. Here you can see in the browser. Copy this link from here, and you have to use this link here to download the Chef client. So first we are installing wget package. It's required. It's installed. Now install the Chef client. Yeah, it's installed. You can see here. Now you have to install this package into your machine on workstation. It will maybe take some time depending on your internet speed. Yeah, it's download now. So install. Now we have to check this Chef version also. Yeah, what is the path of the Chef? Yeah, it's installed. Chef workstation, you can see 20.7. The version has been installed in this machine. So basically right now you are seeing this server. This is the manage.chef.io server, and here you have to download the starter kit. So starter kit basically is a folder, or you can say it is a server URL, where you will link with the node. So you have to first create account here. After, you can download the Chef uh, starter kit. Here on desktop, I already downloaded this pack starter kit. Here you can see the some files of the uh, Chef starter kit. So this is the basically Chef workstation. So you have to move all the Chef repo file to the workstation folder. uh, Only drag these files on the workstation. Basically, I have connected workstation on WinZip using Win SCP software. So here you are seeing file is transferring. Yeah, chef repo folder is here, you can see on terminal also. So file is transferring right now on workstation. Yeah, it's successfully transferred. Now you can see here uh, the folder chef repo is also here. So first we have to go to the chef repo and go to the cookbooks. Now you have to generate a cookbook, any name you can write for cookbook. I am writing http the cookbook. Basically in this cookbook I will install http package on node machine. So chef cookbook is generated successfully. Now you have to generate a recipe for the same. Meanwhile I am installing a tree package. It is very helpful to see the repo or to see the files in tree view. So here you can see cookbook is created and also a recipe default.rb is also created. You can see, yeah, here you can see default.rb file. Now now we are going to generate a recipe. You can see here recipe folders also. So this is the command, chef generate recipe. Basically we are generating a recipe, and you can write any name of the recipe. I'm typing httpd recipe. My recipe name is httpd recipe. So you can take any name. Yeah, it's generated. You can see here. Now let me check with tree command. Okay, first we have to go to the uh, httpd recipe which we have created. Okay, here is recipe, and you have to uh, write what you have to do on the node machine. So basically first I have to install the httpd package on node machine. So I'm writing that recipe. So first it will install the httpd package, and after it will enable the httpd service, and after that it will create a index.html file in html folder. Recipe has been created, you can see, and you have to save it and exit from the recipe. Yeah, so go to the now chef folder. It is hidden folder. You can see we are now in chef folder. So here you have to check your machine is successfully connected with the server or not. So it is command is knife ssl check. So it will check your machine is connected or not with server. Yeah, it's connected successfully with server. Yeah, and this is chef work node.pem file. Basically we have to connect uh, our workstation with node. So we have to move this file to the workstations, After it successfully authenticate uh, on the workstations, so it will connect with your it will connect with your node to the workstation. So you have to move node.pem file to the workstation server. Yeah, it's successfully transferred, you can see. So now you can check here. uh, Let me show you. Yeah, here it is your file chef work node.pem. Now basically we have to connect uh, our workstation to the node. So you have to take private IP of the node machine. So knife bootstrap, your private IP should be here. Basically we are doing bootstrapping, it's called bootstrapping. When we create when we connect our workstation to node, so it's called bootstrapping. Basically we are doing bootstrapping right now. So first we have to pass our IP address of the node and the username, that is EC2 user, and the PEM file URL, which is self-worked node.pem. And here you have to type also node name, what you have to set the node name. So in my case, uh, you can type any name here, like I have set it chef node. Yeah, this is IP of the private of the node, and this is the node user, and this is the password, you can say private key, which connect with to help to connect with node. Yeah, this one I have passed here. This is the chef node name. Now you have to press enter. Yeah, it's showing are you sure want to continue connecting? Yes. Yeah, it's connected, try to connecting. Yeah, thank you for installing chef infra client. It is showing, yeah, it's successfully connected, you can check here. Yeah, installed cookbook, here you can see the message, and some others informations you are saying. Now we have to check the node list here with the knife node list command. Yeah, there are latest node which we have created, chef node, you can see. Now what we are doing, we have to upload the cookbook. So it is a command knife cookbook upload, and your cookbook name httpd cookbook, it's my cookbook name. So I'm uploading this file to the what to say on node. Yeah, it's uploaded successfully, you can see here message uploaded one cookbook. Now we have to check whether the cookbook is uploaded or not using knife cookbook list. So yeah, it's showing httpd cookbook successfully uploaded. It is a cookbook list which is uploaded on node machine. So now what we are doing, we have to check the node run list using knife node run list command. It is my node name, chef node, and it is my recipe. We have to pass the recipe name and the cookbook name here, HTTPD cookbook, and HTTPD recipe. Basically we are adding in the run list this cookbook and this recipe. Yeah, it's successfully added in the run list, you can see here. Now you have to check it is added in the run list or not. The command is knife node show chef your node name. Yeah, it's successfully added in the run list, you can see here. Okay, now we are going to the node machine where we have to install the chef, where we have to run the chef client command. So have an access denied. First we have to log in with sudo user, sudo su. Yeah, now you are logged in with root user. Now again run chef client command. What will happen here? We have to check. Yeah, it's running. Yeah, you can see here HTTPD cookbook recipe. Yeah, so it was uploaded successfully by workstations, you can see here. Yeah, it's installed successfully. So uh, so in this case we have run chef client command. If you don't want to run chef client command again and again, let me explain you. First we have to check whether the cookbook is run successfully. And yeah, it's run successful, means it's working fine. So this is basically the general step of how we can connect our workstation with node. So using workstation we can handle multiple node. So as I am saying, if we don't want to run chef client command again and again, so we can add this command in the con tab. So it will automatically run every minute. Every minute it will check the uh, chef client. Basically it will run chef client command every minute. So all the auto data automatically uploaded to the node if workstation is updated anything. So basically I'm giving here minute, uh, hours, days, week and month. Root and chef client is your command, so you have to save it and exit from here. Yeah, so I think you understood why we are doing this. Basically it automatically run chef client command every minute. So let me show you again. It's saved or not, we have to check. Yeah, it's saved successfully. You can see here it's successfully saved. Now what we are going to do, we have to change in the recipe. Let me change some text in the content of index.html. Please share this video, save it. Now you have to upload the recipe on the node. You have to careful one thing, every time if you will change in recipe, you have to definitely upload cookbook on the node server. So in this case I'm uploading the cookbook on the node machine. Yeah, this thing you have to done yourself, it will not done automatically, you have to do yourself. Yeah, a cookbook has been successfully uploaded, you can see here. Now we have to go to the browser and check whether yeah it's updated successfully. Please share this video. Okay. Basically it was doing by cron which scheduler which you have added in cron tab. Now we have to change something again in the recipe file. Let me show you again. So here we can type any line. You can type anything. I'm typing uh, this will update it, auto updated, no need to run chef client on node machine. Okay, so you can save this file and check browser again, it will reflect automatically. And first you have to upload this cookbook. Yeah, it's uploaded. Now check your browser, it will reflect automatically, you don't need to run chef client again and again on the node machine. Check again. Yeah, it's updated successfully. So basically we have successfully connected our workstation with node machine uh, on AWS. As I'm using, you can use any Linux machine. So this is basically complete process of how you can connect your server. This is your server, basically chef server. It is intermediate between the workstation and the node. So uh, this is basically a normal process of how we can connect workstation with node. Thank